Today I'm going to be painting a cropped version of Van Gogh's watercolor painting, Boats at Sainte-Marie. You can see the influence of Van Gogh's love for Japanese prints in this work. It's colorful, the shapes are often outlined, and the space is somewhat flattened. First, I make a light drawing in pencil, just to place the shapes. You don't need to make this detailed at all. It's just a map for where you're going to paint. I start with the blue washes in the sky and the water first. I like to use a lot of water for this and kind of allow the various blue colors to mix and flow together. I used a yellow ochre and yellow on the shore, just varying these colors as I put them down. I tried to keep the shore and the sea colors separate from one another as I paint. I used pure red, greens, blues, and yellows in the boats. Using a flat brush can help to give you a sharper edge in some of these areas. You can use a hairdryer between colors and layers as you need to help speed the drying time and keep the colors cleaner. After all the colors are laid in and the paint is dry, I used a brush pen to outline and define the shapes. The Sharpie marker works too. I used both thick and thin lines here. You can learn so much by copying the paintings by artists you love. It'll give you more confidence to try new things in your own work. So have fun with this.